with my bourgeois Genevieve, and we are gonna teach you how to get the perfect brow. You do need a little bit of a brow to really frame your face, lift your eyes, and open you up. So, are you ready?
Yes.
We're gonna start with my Pro Perfect pencil. This is all you need to get a perfect brow. Okay. So, you're gonna see that it's double-ended.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that cool? So
Yeah.
you've got a brush on one side, and then you've got the amazing pencil on the other. The cool thing about this pencil is you can use it, I can use it, everybody can use it because it's universal. The harder that you press, the darker the shade. So it's super cool. First and foremost, you want to start with that spoolie. You want to take this and kind of brush up every single hair that you have. I'm going to reach out back there so you can see everything that you're working with. Big question I always get is, where do you start the brow? Where's the highest point of the brow, and where does the brow end? It's super simple, exactly where you do. So you're going to start just like so, and right in the inner corner of the eye, you hold your pencil. That's where the eyebrow begins, right there. So you make a little mark just like so. The highest point of the brow, you look straight in the mirror, exactly like you are, and you hold the pencil right on the outside of the iris, just like so. Make a little mark right there. That is gonna be the highest point of your brow, just like so. And then last but certainly not least, you put your pencil right on the side of your nose and all the way to the end of the eye. And that's where the eyebrow ends, just like so. So you kind of have like a little stencil. The great thing about this pencil is it is in the shape of a teardrop. So what does that mean? You've got the pointy part right here, and that's what you're gonna use to create your hair-like stroke. So it really looks like a natural eyebrow. And then you've got that sort of flat part. That's when you turn the pencil a little sideways, and then you get that soft powdery finish. So now I'm gonna do is start to fill in. Remember, the head of the brow is where you really wanna create those little short feathery strokes. What that's gonna do is it's gonna simulate the look of real hair. And you can take that and go all the way through gently. So as you can see, we're starting to lift, we're starting to open, and you're really framing that beautiful face and those gorgeous green eyes, and really creating that amazing look. So brushing up and filling in. And then you're gonna take the spoolie and just brush up.
Okay, so make sure I'm doing this correctly. I brush up a little bit.
I'm like really proud. Okay, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the pointy side of the pencil, and that's where you're gonna start to fill in, and you're gonna create those short feathery strokes right at the head of your brow. The thing that I love about this particular pencil is it really does do all the work for you. So it lifts, it gives you the perfect color. Of course, it's all day fierce. So you're gonna put this on, and the best part about it is that brow is gonna look just as fierce as it did the minute you put it on. Super easy, and now you know exactly where to do your brows. Your eyes are open, wider, you look fresh and awake. Congratulations, you have the best brows in the world.
Thank
Good
you.
job, Mama.
Thank you.
Love you.